how to switch between personal and business TikTok account. So guys, first open TikTok, then go to your profile. In profile, tap on the 3 lines. Now go to settings and privacy. From here, select account. Right now my account is personal, so it shows me the option switch to business account. On your device, it might look a little different, so just tap on switch to business account. Here, turn on the permissions, then tap get started. Now fill in the basic information like country or region. Phone number, website, and industry are optional. Once you're done, tap next. Here you need to verify your business. TikTok checks if your business is real and official, and this unlocks features like ads, analytics, and extra tools while keeping your account safe. Tap on Upload Document and upload your documents. After uploading, your account will change from personal to business. Now you know how to switch between personal and business TikTok account. Got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.